Hi guys, just another wee quick one. It's me back out at the polytunnel. I thought I'd open it up today and get some fresh air into it. And I'm really surprised at how things have grown for the last time. Yep, I'm really happy with the way things are going. I can't wait to actually get them in the dirt. Now, a couple of questions. I've got an app on my phone that my last frost date is the last week in April, but the app tells me that I should be sowing some potatoes just now. So should I be sowing potatoes just now? Should I be putting them in the buckets? And my tomatoes, how soon do I need to grow my tomatoes? So my last frost date is last week in April, so 1st of May, say first week in May, I'll be putting out the tomatoes. So should I be sowing them just now as well? I don't know, so that's just thought I would ask. Right, okay, let's go and have a look somewhere else. Oh, there's my shadow. Okay, in here we have, if I can get it open with one hand, we have lettuce and chard. This is the red lettuce, Lolo Rosso, and the chard. They seem to be doing no bad as well in here. And in here we have Epicure potatoes. It looks as if only 2 of them has came up and the other ones haven't. Oh, wait a minute, no, there's one coming up over there too. You can see just a wee bit of green there. So I'll need to earth these up. Well, the potatoes are doing okay, so surely I should be able to put my other potatoes in the buckets. I just don't know. And in here is just the flowers that's been sown, and the basil cuttings are really coming on. And as I said previously, I went out and I bought some new lobelia and some alyssum, and also bought some poached eggs. We had these growing in our old house and I just liked them, so I've bought 2 packets of these. They'll be in the planters out front probably. So basically that's about it. I now need to go and start making a picture frame for the exhibitions that's coming up. And we've got a wee bit of sunshine today in between the rain. And that's it. Okay, please stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Okay, I just thought I would nip in, add this wee bit to one of my videos. These grow bag trays, these here, you can see what I've got in it. They are £4 each at B&M, or 2 for £7. I just thought we'd add that in, just in case you are looking for some. Okay, back to the video. Hi guys, this is just a wee quick one. I'll add this onto some other video. In here I've got comfrey seeds that have actually sprouted. I think the secret is you need to refrigerate them for a good wee while, or put them in the freezer for a couple of days. They need to feel the cold. But I mean, I put 10 seeds in here roughly and only 3 sprouted, so that goes to show how kind of difficult it is. Well, I find it difficult. It might not be difficult, but I've got 3 small pots here, and all I'm going to do is create a wee space for them, and then gently lift them off and pop them in. Didn't do that very well, did I? So that's what we'll do with the 3 of them, and we'll get them to grow on and put them out in the garden. Okay, thanks for watching.